Hello iPaaS developers. In this video, we are going to see JOLT transformation in Apache Camel. So when we are going to use this JOLT component to transform one JSON into another JSON, we have to use the below dependency. If you are using Camel project, you can use Camel JOLT dependency. If you are using Camel quarkus project, then you have to use Camel quarkus JOLT dependency. I'm using Camel quarkus project, so I'm using this Camel quarkus JOLT dependency. Let's see the demo.
In this video, we are going to see another transformation, which is JSON to JSON. So which can be done using this JOLT component. There is a component called JOLT. So we can use that component to transform one JSON input to another JSON input. So when talking about JOLT, there are 5 different types of them. So you can explore all these types. So first one is shift, which is copies data from the input to output tree. Then default, apply the default values to the tree. Then remove, which is remove the node from the tree. Then sorting, then cardinality. So these are different types of transformation which is available in JOLT. So in this demo, we are going to see only the shift operation. How we are going to do the transformation from one JSON to another JSON. So for that, similar to XSLT transformation, so I have taken input JSON. This is my JSON. So I have one client details and this is my output JSON. So I want to convert this client information into this format. Okay, so we have to write the JOLT specification. So they call it JSON spec. So we have to write that specification. So based on that only the transformation will happen. So for that I have written one spec. So here this is the JSON spec for the transformation. So here I am using the operation shift operation. So here I am giving the spec. So under that spec we have to give the transformation rules. So here we have to give the input and what are the fields from the input required in the output JSON field. So these are all the output JSON field. If you look at XSLT, we have to give the output, then we have to map the value from the input. But here we have to give the output field in the right side. You can explore more in Google about the JSON JOLT transformation. Now let's go back to our route. The same way I have created one simple REST service which will accept only the JSON and transform that JSON into another JSON. So this is my route which has the resource path like sample JOLT transformation, which consume application / JSON. Then in my implementation flow, I am converting the input which I am receiving in the HTTP request as a string. Then I am passing to this JOLT component. So this is the syntax. So here I am giving JOLT, then this is the JSON spec file. Then I am giving the input type also JSON string. I need the output type also JSON string. When I am trying without these two parameters, I got error. It is not transforming. So after adding this one only, it is working. Then I am logging the body in the console. Then I am sending the same response to the caller. Let's see the demo. I have executed my Camel application, so which is started and running now. Let me send the JSON request in Postman. So this is my endpoint. So here I am sending this JSON. So this is transforming into this format. So for example, instead of amazing, I'm giving testing. You will get the company name as testing. For example, this contact number I'm changing 16567, which is not added. Okay, so this one 890. So here my company, then this is 890. So in the console also we can see I logged, so the transform output is logged in this console. So this is a sample application to transform the JSON into JSON using JOLT component. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this video. Provide your likes, comments, and share this video with your friends. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Thank you.